Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sacred Arrow, and welcome to the first major rainstorm of the southern New York portion of the year 2017 during the day. Now, we did have a rainstorm, like I said, this past Monday night, but that was during the night. It was from like about 2 a.m. to about 6 a.m. I really can't go anywhere right now. It's coming down. It's starting to flood in places. People aren't driving like morons like they normally do. But there are probably still some morons somewhere. Just gotta look for them. Gotta put your third eye out. That's even remotely possible. Wow, I really can't go anywhere right now. Come on! Somebody let me go. Oh, come on. Wow, nobody's behind me still. Nobody's still behind me. So you can see it come down. The camera won't play that much. Come on. I'm going this way. I'm going left. Somebody please let me go left. I'm going left, buddy. Now it's coming down even harder, actually. Can't move here in front of me. Just go, little asshole. This is the part I love. Woohoo! It's coming down so fast, I actually can't see through my windshield road. Oh, it's nice. Woohoo! Yeah! It's gonna pick up something to drink. Now I'm not sure if I want to. Oh, this is nice. Oh, yay. Oh, goodness gracious. Alright. Alrighty then. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Very nice, man. Very nice. I think they helped. Well, I don't even freaking know. Oh, this is very nice, actually. The rain is here. Should be a puddle, pond, lake, or ocean on this road. I don't know where it is. Oh, there goes a wave, tidal wave. Come on, person in your Hyundai Sonata. The Hyundai Sonata, actually, my sister had to go drive one of these, she had to borrow one of these through Honda because her 08 Honda CR-V was on recall for the airbag. So she drove one of these. Actually, wow, really? Well, that was annoying. It was actually, you couldn't see. The way the bar pitched out, it was too narrow, so you couldn't, if somebody was walking, you couldn't see them. You probably would have hit them. I mean, it's your fault. If you hit somebody while you're driving, it's your fault. It's automatically your fault. It's almost a 99% chance it's going to be your fault, and there's about 1% chance that you can try to get around it. No, there's no point. There's no point in trying to fight that. It's ridiculous. And there's all those videos online of people who try to pretend to be hit by a car for insurance fraud or something like that. Oh, nice lightning. Actually, this reminds me of that storm. I was playing Battlefield 1. Nope. Playing Battlefield 1, and there was a thunder. You actually almost thought it was a tank shooting a cannon outside, just because of how loud it was. We're going to be resuming this in T-minus 40 seconds. First, I don't know where I put my money. Oh, that convenience store now. Woohoo! quite the storm. Woo. This is quite the storm. It is quite the storm, everybody. Really quite the storm. See, look, now it stops. Now the rain stops. I don't get it. I just don't get it. Right? Better come down. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. But all I can tell you on this, what the hell is today's date? April the 6th, 2017. We are getting rain, and we need it. So, no, actually, somebody told me, not somebody told me. I was talking to a customer, was it 2 days ago now? Hi, taxi. Mr. They said, oh yeah, we got a lot of rain. We should be okay. I said, what? You crazy? We're 28 million gallons low. They said, oh, somebody else told me yesterday. No, I think that was 3 days ago now. Probably about Tuesday. Maybe even Monday. So somebody said yesterday, oh yeah, reservoirs are high now. I said, no, sorry. I'm sorry, hon. They're really not, actually. Very deceiving. The amount of water that we go through a day in the city, New York City, I don't even want to remember what it was. My father told me what it is. But it is an astronomical amount of water. I mean, you'd be amazed. Oh, that's Celica. I'm sliding everywhere. Woo! Oh, this is fun. Come on. Wow, I'm really gripping the road still? I thought the road would be covered with water. Maybe not. Oh, this would be a nice view. What's up here?